In today's video, I'll show you how to send and reply to one-to-one emails directly from Hubspot. This is a great way to keep all your communication organized and connected to your CRM. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Hubspot website. This is the central hub where you can access all of Hubspot's tools and features. Once you're there, click the Log In button and sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hubspot home dashboard. From here, you can see an overview of the tools available to you based on your subscription. Look for the CRM section, which is where you'll manage contacts, track interactions, and handle emails. Inside the CRM, click on Contacts. This section stores all the people and companies you communicate with. Browse the list or use the search bar to find the contact you want to email, then click on their name to open their record. Within the contact record, you'll see an Email option. Click it to open the Email Composer. Here, you can write your message, add a subject line, and include any important details you want to share before sending. When you're ready, click Send to deliver your email. If you receive a reply, responding is just as simple. Open the email thread from the contact record and click Reply. The message window will open automatically, allowing you to type and send your response. Using one-to-one emails in Hubspot helps you keep conversations organized, professional, and easy to track. Thanks for watching and enjoy communicating more effectively with Hubspot.